everyone, Vanda here of rawandwell. Another epic fruit haul, fruit and veggie haul, but mostly fruit. So let's do the veggies first. I got some carrots, organic, of course, don't panic, everything's organic. Celery, garlic, baby spinach, that's the veggies. Wait. Then we have bananas. We still have some old here, so I'm gonna add these, put these to the side. I got a watermelon, I'll be juicing that. 4 mangoes. These are red mangoes, 4 of them. We got some plums, plums. Of course, always, lemons are always in every fruit haul. We got a Tuscan cantaloupe. So different variety, it's got nice cool green stripes on it. We'll be trying that. Got some more cherry plums. And then I got some black grapes, of course, organic. Some red grapes. Some white grapes. These, however, this is the treat for this fruit haul. Look at what I found. Mangosteens. Doing the mangosteen dance. So I got 4 of those. Hopefully they'll be amazing. And then I got 2 green mangoes. So these are the oblong ones. These are always my favorite. So hopefully they'll be yummy too. And that's it for, I did a small fruit and veggie haul. So that's what we got. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.